just sucked on a lemon when she saw me. I'm sure he thought I ruined the picture. I was one of the ones in the front, sitting down. I didn't smile. Not that anyone could tell if I had. 直气子 touch. I noticed not too long ago that even though people were getting used to me, no one would actually touch me. I didn't realize that this at first, because it's not like kids go around touching each other that much in middle school anyway. But last Thursday in dance class, which is like my least favorite class, Mrs. Atanabe, the teacher, tried to make Cinnamon Jean to be my dance partner. Now, I've never actually seen someone have a panic attack before, but I have heard about it, and I'm pretty sure Cinema had a panic attack at that second. She got really nervous and turned pale and literally broke into a sweat within a minute. And then she came up with some lame excuse about really having to go to the bathroom. Anyway, Mrs. Atanabe let her off the hook because she ended up not making anyone dance together. Then yesterday in my science elective, we were doing this cool mystery powder investigation where we had to classify a substance as an acid or base. Everyone had to hit their mystery powders on a heating plate and make observations, so we were all huddled around the powders with our notebooks. Now, there are 8 kids in the elective, and 7 of them were squished together on one side of the plate, while one of them, me, had loads of room on the other side. So, of course, I noticed this, but I was hoping Miss Robin wouldn't notice this because I didn't want her to say something. But of course, she did notice this, and of course, she said something. Guys, there's plenty of room on that side. Tristan, Nino, go over there, she said. So Tristan and Nino scooted over to my side. Tristan and Nino have always been okay nice to me. I want to go on record as saying that. Not super nice like they go out of their way to hang out with me, but okay nice like they say hello to me and talk to me like normal. And they didn't even make a face when Miss Robin told them to come on my set, which a lot of kids do when they think I'm not looking. Anyway, everything was going fine until Tristan's mystery powder started melting. He moved his foil off the plate just as my powder began to melt too, which is why I went to move mine off the plate. And then my hand accidentally bumped his hand. For a fraction of a second, Tristan jerked his hand away so fast he dropped his foil on the floor while also knocking everyone else's foil off the eating plate. Tristan, yelled Miss Robin, but Tristan didn't even care about the spilled powder on the floor or that he ruined the experiment. What he was most concerned about was getting to the lab sink to wash his hands so fast as possible. That's 직접 나가서 그 인간들 트레이를까지 구진시켜줘야 해. 고리 하나 소 편하게 먹는다니까. 그는 마치 그녀가 동의하지 않기라도 한듯해서 말했다. 오베가 호기심을 했다. 바깥에 어두워지니까 고리를 끌 수 없다면 거 맞아. 불을 켜두면 되지만 만약 그렇게 한다면 언제쯤구나. 나갈지 모르는 거잖아. 이게 계속 켜진 제로 전기를 잡아먹으라. 먹을 거야. 말도 안 돼 일이지. 아내는 대답하지 않았다. 그는 얼어붙은 땅을 밟고 잤다. 저당한 말을 차고 있었다. 다시 짧게 호기심을 했다. 당신의 집에 없으니까 되는 게 하나도 없어. 그녀는 대답하지 않았다. 오베가 꽃다발을 만지자 그랬다. 피곤해. 당신이 떠나 있으니까 집안에 하루 종일 설렁해. 그녀는 그 말에도 대답하지 않았다. 그는 고개를 끄덕였다. 그녀가 볼 수 있도록 꽃다발을 들었다. 분홍색이 기어드는 사람이 아니었다.